In this video, we'll show you how to set up and manage tax codes and tax code groups in Fastway. From the web portal dashboard, navigate to Resources, Billing, Tax Codes. Here, you can define and manage any tax codes your company will be using at various locations. If you're using a third-party accounting system, you should set up your tax codes to correspond with those already in your system. If you have an accounting system that integrates seamlessly with Fastway, this page will include the option to import those tax codes directly from your existing system. Like most tables in Fastway, the tax code table can be filtered, reordered, and searched. The search bar at the top of the table allows you to input any keywords to help you find a tax code. You can also use the black filter funnels to narrow down tax codes. You can reorder the table by simply clicking on the column headers at the top. To start, let's make a new tax code by clicking the Add New Tax Code button at top right. We'll fill in our two required fields first, code and description. The code should be a short one-word ID to identify your tax code. Let's use the ID BluntTN. For the description, you can put the full name of the tax, for example, Blount County. Next, we'll fill in the material tax rate. This is the tax rate for any products your company is selling. Note that you'll need to enter any tax rates as a decimal number, not as the whole number percentage. For example, for a 7.25% tax rate, we'll enter 0.0725. You can also enter additional tax rates to go along with any freight fees or miscellaneous surcharges your company might have. This last field is optional, but if your third-party accounting software uses a GL account number, you can enter that here. Another optional tool, the Tax Percentage Reporting Breakout, allows you to enter individual portions that make up the overall tax. This data can later be used to generate detailed tax reports. Just click Update when done, and now you'll be able to see your new tax code in the table. If you want to modify a tax code that you've already entered, click the Edit button. Because this particular code is for tax-exempt customers, all of the tax rates are set to 0. Fastway also supports the use of secondary tax rates, such as city or local taxes. You can enable secondary tax by navigating to Settings, Portal Settings. Check the Use Secondary Tax checkbox and click Save. Then go back to Resources, Billing, Tax Codes. Edit a tax code, and you'll see the option for a secondary tax has been added to the tax code setup screen. Now let's take a look at the Tax Groups tab. By establishing a tax group, you can add the group to any order product or quote product, which then allows your scale operators to select various tax codes from the group while ticketing. Let's add a tax group. First, we'll give the group a name, County Taxes. Click Update to add the group. Then click on the group to select it and check off any individual tax codes you would like to add to the group. I'm choosing the Blount County tax, along with Knox County. Now our tax group is ready to be applied to products on both quotes and orders. Jumping over to the Orders screen, let's edit an order and add a tax group to one of its order products. We'll edit the product and apply the tax group using the drop-down menu. Then we'll just click Update and save the order. Moving to the Fastway desktop ticketing app, let's start by syncing the app. And then we'll try ticketing using the order product we just edited. We'll see now that any tax codes we added to that tax code group can now be selected at the ticket level. If you need to edit the tax code on tickets that have already been run, there's multiple ways to do this on the web portal. To change tax on a single ticket, we can locate and edit that ticket through the ticket query. To modify tax on many tickets simultaneously, we can use Ticket Bulk Edit. You can also make changes to tax during the billing process by reviewing pricing for tickets on the New Billing tab. This completes our walkthrough for using tax codes on Fastway. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us by visiting our website. Go to fast-way.com and click on Support. There you'll find an online knowledge base along with the contact info for the Fastway support team. Thanks for watching.